Welcome to Looking at the Markets with David Modell. I want to show you the stock charts that I'll be looking at for the coming week. These are daily candlestick charts provided by finviz.com. The first one I want to look at is Cloudflare. NET is the stock ticker symbol. And yes, there is a triangle formation and some very strong rising support. I do like rising support levels. However, look at what happened on Friday. Broken down. So that whole triangle is old news, and this rising support level, there's a lesson here. These support levels, there's no guarantee that they'll hold up the stock. Okay, they can fall through any given moment. So because it fell so much on Friday, NET stock, I'm going to wait, see where it lands. I'm not just going to buy. I'm not going to get in the way of a falling rock. Okay, I am looking at 40 as an interesting level, though. I want to look at Bristol-Myers. BMY is the ticker symbol, and I like the way this one bounced right off of an important level here, 66. $66 for BMY, Bristol-Myers stock. Look how cleanly it bounced off of that level here, and then here, and right there, the wick or shadow of Friday's daily candlestick. So that's telling me something. Maybe the smart money, the institutional investors, the whales, come in and they want to buy at this level, or at least they have in the past. So this is looking pretty interesting. I'm kind of liking BMY stock. CLF, Cleveland Cliffs. And this is a commodities mining type of stock, CLF. And so this one, yeah, it's breaking down, but I like to buy low and sell higher. So breaking down can be good. And I want this lower, though. I really do. 12 is a very important level here for CLF stock. That's a very attractive level for this one. It's not there yet. So I'm going to be patient, and I want you to pick your levels. Now, I do see some importance at 14. It's bounced off of there before, so could start to scale in, as they say, at 14, and then buy more at 12 if you want to do that. Of course, you have to make your own decisions, do your own due diligence. Always. Roblox stock, RBLX. Yeah, this one has come down to a significant level here at around 35 or 36. Seems to be important. It was back here for Roblox stock, but again, I'm being patient. I'm picking my levels. I want it lower. Yeah, I do like 30. There is some support there at 30, and then lower beyond that at 25. So could scale in at 30, then buy more at 25. That's a possibility. No guarantees, of course. Hylian stock, an electric vehicle, electric truck type of company, Hylian, Hyln. This thing is just falling out of that wedge there, but curling up. So that's starting to look interesting. I like a low price and then starting to curl up a little there. Yeah, not bad. And Friday was pretty good for Hylian stock. It's definitely low, but risky because electric vehicles, there's a lot of competition in that space from Tesla and Rivian, Lucid, and many others, NIO. So I'm going to be careful with this one, but I could buy a few shares. It's a possibility. Just as a speculative bet. Pinterest stock, PINS, had a rough day on Friday, breaking down, right? I like low prices, but I don't want to catch a falling rock usually. There are exceptions. 26 was very important. Look how many times, this was resistance for sure. Look how many times PINS, Pinterest stock, came up to 26 and just couldn't break through. Finally broke through, and a multiple top here at 29, but that's old news now. Just broke down through all that, and also through this rising support level. So $23 exactly on Friday. I want to see how low it goes. I'd like 18. Don't know if it's going to get there. I'm just going to wait patiently for that one. DocuSign, DOCU stock, closing at around 50, 49 or 50 on Friday. Seems to be holding that level. That's not a bad level. I kind of like it. It was important as resistance before and then support. And it's behaving okay at around 50. Not bad. Is 40 better, of course? Scaling in might be a choice you can make if you want to. Buy some at 50, buy some more at 40. Buying at wide intervals there. Scaling in slowly. And Rio Tinto stock, another mining materials type of stock. RIO, Rio, is a stock ticker symbol. Sure, I would really like it around 50. That's some strong support there, and a huge bounce off of 50 all the way up to 80. Resistance there. Symmetrical triangle, but that's old news. Broke down below that symmetrical triangle to the downside. 64 or thereabouts on Friday. It's okay. It's not a screaming buy to me. I want it lower. I want it in the 50s for sure. 50 would be great. I'm not holding my breath for that, but I'm open to all possibilities. And if it starts getting toward 50, that would be very enticing. Yes. If I had to pick one that I like the most, yeah, Bristol-Myers, looking real good there. It's tough to find bargains in this particular market. There's a lot going on, but if you look hard enough, and I do a lot of scanning and a lot of scouring and a lot of learning, and I try to share that with you. So thank you so much for watching and listening. I will talk to you again soon.